Hello and welcome back to Founder Activity. In this video, we'll reveal insider knowledge that can help you build wealth, reduce debt, and increase your savings. From automating your finances and tracking your spending to reducing your expenses and investing them for the long term, we'll cover the tips and tricks that the experts use to achieve financial success. So, if you're ready to take control of your money and create a brighter financial future, then tune in and discover the money management secret tips that can help you reach your goals. Even though it's a good idea to make financial resolutions at any time of the year, many people find it more convenient to do so at the start of a new year. No matter when you start, the fundamentals are always constant. We will now provide you with the best 10 financial advice. Tip number 1. Obtain what you are worth and spend no more than you make. Even though it seems easy, many people find this first guideline to be difficult. Make sure you are aware of the market value of your position by assessing your abilities, output, job responsibilities, contribution to the business, and the going rate for your profession both inside and outside the organization. Over the length of your working career, even a 1,000 annual pay gap might have a sizable cumulative impact. You'll never get ahead if you spend more than you make, regardless of how much or how little you are paid. Often, it's simpler to spend less money than it is to make more, so making a few small sacrifices here and there can help you save money, and it's not always necessary to make significant sacrifices. Tip number 2. Maintain your budget. Budgeting is a vital step to take while attempting to improve your financial situation. After all, without a budget, how can you know where your money is going? If you don't understand where your money is going, how can you create spending and saving goals? Regardless whether you earn thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars annually, you must create a budget. Tip number 3. Eliminate credit card debt. The biggest obstacle to improving one's financial situation is credit card debt. When we whip those tiny pieces of plastic out to pay for a transaction, big or small, it's so simple to forget that we're actually dealing with real money. Even when we make a resolution to pay the balance in full right away, the truth is that we frequently fail to do so and wind up spending much more than we would have if we had used cash. Tip number 4. Make a retirement plan contribution. It is never too early or late to begin planning for retirement. Retirement planning is the process of developing a financial plan that includes saving, investing, and finally dispersing funds for one's own support in retirement. Retirement savings have many popular investing options, including 401ks and individual retirement accounts that allow them to grow their money with specific tax benefits. Retirement planning considers future costs, responsibilities, and life expectancy in addition to assets and income. Tip number 5. Having a saving strategy. Pay yourself first, as you have probably heard before. It's likely you'll never have a healthy savings account or investments if you wait until all of your other financial commitments have been satisfied before determining what's left over for saving. Make a commitment of saving at least 5% of your income before you begin paying your debts. Even better, set up an automatic deduction from your paycheck that is put into a different account. Let's venture over to the land of endless money management advice at founderactivity.com. Our blog is bursting at its seams with articles that gives you the winning edge to properly save money. From insider tips to expert tricks, we've got everything you need to make a valuable amount of savings. Tip number 6. Invest. It would be ideal if you could invest some money in other investments while still making contributions to your savings account and retirement plan. Tip number 7. Make the most of your work benefits. Benefits provided by employers such as a 401k plan, flexible spending accounts, health and dental insurance, etc. are very expensive. Make sure you're making the most of yours and utilizing the ones that can help you save money by lowering your taxes or out-of-pocket costs. Tip number 8. Examine your insurance policies. When it comes to life and disability insurance, too many people are pushed into paying too much, whether it's through including these coverages in vehicle loans, purchasing whole life insurance plans when term insurance makes more sense, or purchasing life insurance when you have no dependents. Nonetheless, it's important that you have enough insurance to safeguard your dependents and your income in the event of a fatal accident or permanent incapacity. Tip number 9. Revisions to your will. No matter how little or how much property you earn, if you have dependents, you must make a will. Consider creating a will so that you can better safeguard your loved ones. Tip number 10. Keep accurate records. You probably aren't claiming all of your permitted income tax deductions and credits if you are not cautious to maintain comprehensive records. Create a plan today and stick with it all year. It's more simple than rushing to locate everything at tax time just to overlook items that could have resulted in financial savings. And that's a wrap on our secret tips for money management. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment on this video and leave us a huge thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press on the bell icon to be notified when we drop hot new content. See you in the next one.